Hello everyone, it's Brandy with My Creative Scrapbook, and today I am working with the June main kit. I decided that it would be a great time to document one of the senior photos that I took of my stepdaughter. For the purposes of this layout, I cropped it to just be her face instead of her entire torso. She's actually sitting down on a stool in the middle of the road here for this, but I cropped it up because I really just wanted to see that beautiful face on this layout. I was inspired by all of the florals that come in this month's kit, and I wanted to create the feel of a bouquet of flowers. So I wanted like three triangles that, you know, how when you wrap paper around a bouquet of flowers, it kind of creates this cone shaped. Well, I tried to consider on this layout how I could make it actually look like a cone, but in the end, I just decided I'm just going to stick with the triangle and call it a day. So I'm doing three bouquets of this. So I cut out three triangles and I tried to cut them out so that I could not waste any paper. I absolutely love this piece of patterned paper. And now I'm just kind of trying to I sort of already off camera had my floral clusters created. I think each one of them has two, one may have three. Yeah, three. That one that I'm working on there is three different floral pieces from the kit. And I'm just putting them together in a way that, I don't know, feels pleasing, I guess, and made the three different bouquets. So now I'm getting those all glued down, and I'm going to get them placed on the layout where I need them to be and start embellishing around it. So in the meantime, I'm going to leave you guys with some music, and I'll come back at the end to say my goodbyes. Well, that about wraps up another layout. I really appreciate you guys sticking around with me. Don't forget to check out my creative scrapbook and all of the different options they have for kit subscriptions each month. The kits are absolutely beautiful, and I have no doubt that you're going to love them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you have any questions about the products or the process, you can leave me a comment. I'll be sure to get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Again, thank you guys so much. I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.